Hi guys, so we have another very intriguing sum over here. We have to find out not the value of x but the value of b. Okay, so this b is happening to be here. So very interesting. So first of all, let's write, okay, 49 x square minus b equals to this one. Reminds you of a plus b, a minus b, algebraic identity. So we know that a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. My a is 7x, so this square minus my b is half, okay, square. Alright, so let's go ahead and solve this side. This one doesn't have much to do. We need to only copy here. 7 into 7 is 49 and x squared here. Now wait students, there are two ways of doing it, so I will be doing a much simpler way for your ease. Okay, so half into half is 1 by 4, correct? So if you can see that on LHS, that is left hand side, we have 49x squared, and on right hand side too we have 49x squared. So there is a rule in linear equation that we can cancel both sides. It doesn't alter the balance, right, of LHS and RHS, which means we are left with minus b here and here minus 1 by 4, correct? So minus minus also we can cancel, which means therefore we have b has a value of 1 by 4. Alright, so wasn't that easy? So this is how, so you should not get kind of nervous whenever you see such sums. Keep your head cool. You will be able to get a crack and you can decode easily, guys. So have a nice time ahead. Do subscribe to my channel because there are many more videos coming in the near future, and those will be of different chapters. Okay, so that's all. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.